Hello, welcome to Design Sentences Part 2. This is where you create smart sentences under sections using variables and some sentences that contain no variables. Please remember, all smart sentences do not need to be a variable. Variables are used if you want your feedback to pull the name of the student you are writing a feedback on and the keywords that you have taught. My section name is Hello and Goodbye. Please remember you cannot edit your section name, so please make sure you type them correctly the first time. Example of section names is greeting, keywords, grammar, pronunciation, story, and compliments. All you have to do is click on the white block and type your section name. Mine is Hello and Goodbye. Now I want to type some sentences under this section. There are 12 lines or sentences that you can do under each section. So all you need to do is click on sentences 1 to 6. As you can see below, Eezi Feedback has added the variable diagram for your easy reference. Now, my first sentence is, I want to say hello to my student. So instead of writing, hello Lisa, hello Oliver, hello Tina, and having all my students' names, I want Eezi Feedback to pull my student's name for every single feedback that I do. So I write hello, hashtag, student, hashtag. So Eezi Feedback knows that when I choose to do a feedback on student Lisa or student Tina, when I type in hashtag student hashtag in any of my sentences, that will be then changed to the student's name that I am doing a feedback on. Now I want to do an emoji. I right click on emoji, choose your emoji that you want. Very easy. Now, my second sentence is a non-variable sentence. This is Teacher Tammy. My next sentence is, I want to say what I taught. So, today we did starter level 1. Or today we did unit 1 of starter level 1. But now I don't want to write unit 1 of starter level 1 because I want this sentence to be available for every single feedback that I do, and I want Eezi Feedback to pull the unit and the module of the unit of the lesson I am teaching about. So, instead of writing unit 1, I write hashtag, module, hashtag, and instead of starter level 1, I write hashtag, unit, hashtag. Now that sentence will be available for any student that I do. Now I want to add the keywords. So, the keywords you learned today were, and now I want Eezi Feedback to pull the keywords for the study unit that I taught. I just do hashtag, keywords, hashtag. Now I know that my variables are 100% correct, and I know that this sentence will be available for every feedback that I do. Again, you can look below at the variable diagram. Next, I want to give an example using male and female sentences. So, I want to say for my student, so instead of my student's name, I go hashtag, student, hashtag, mom because I want to say Tina's mom, comma. Now, we can just write in a masculine word or feminine word. He did so well today. He was very focused and read well. So, if I am doing a feedback on a masculine or a boy, this sentence will be applicable because the word he is already there. If I am doing a feedback on a girl and I want to use the sentence, Eezi Feedback will automatically change the word from he to she when I choose my student's name and gender. And my last sentence is, hope to see you soon. Bye, and I want to write the student's name. Now you can see that I've written more than one sentence on each line, which is perfectly fine. Okay, all you have to do is click Add Section. Click OK. And now your section has been added. If you need to edit a section, click on Edit Section. Go to the drop-down arrow key. Choose your section that you want to edit or add additional information. Once you have changed or added your information, all you need to do is click Update Section, and all your information has been added or edited. Thank you, Eezi Feedback, making feedback easy.